All right, we're talking about adjectives. In particular, we're talking about comparative adjectives, right? We know that a comparative adjective compares two nouns, right? Mr. Tadero is taller than Fred, right? But that's the comparative. What's the comparative adjective there? I'm taller, right? All right, or you know what I'm saying? So, if the word ends in Y, we're talking about that right now. We have to drop the Y and add I. Only if the Y is followed by a consonant. Is R a consonant? Yes. So if Y is followed by a consonant, we're going to drop the Y and we're going to add I and then ER. Okay? If the word if the Y is followed by a vowel, you simply add ER, right? So let's take a look at this one. It says, the air is dry in the winter, but it is even drier in the summer. See how we drop that Y and add IER there? How about this one? It says, for adjectives that end in Y, change the Y to I and add ER. I just gave you the spelling rule though, right? All right, so let's take a look. Read the sentence and complete the sentence using the word from the word box. Use each word only once. Add the correct ending for the comparative adjectives, right? How about this one? Mom planted blank plants than she did last year. Which word from the box do you think? Coville. Why don't we say few? Fewer, right? So let's do FEWER. ER is the comparative ending, right? We're comparing this year to. Okay. How about this one? Her plants grew to a much. Who's got this? Vinny. Taller. All right, you guys got it? And beware. Now let's look at the word healthy really quick. Ready? We have HEALT, and then here we have it. H and then Y. Is the H a consonant or a vowel? Because the H is a consonant, we're going to drop the Y and add I and then ER. You see that? All right. That's your homework for adjective 7 tonight. Let's take a look at adjectives 8, which is the superlative. So now, Mr. T, you ready for this? Mr. T is taller than Fred, but Gary is the, what is it? Tallest. Tallest is comparing Gary to everyone in the room, whereas comparative only compares two things. Right? Superlative compares one thing to all of it. All right, so let's take a look. April has the clearest skies of the whole year. Right? But the same rule applies. Adjectives that end in Y, we're going to change the Y to an I and add EST. Right? Let's take a look. Ready? Let's take the word lovely. Let's take that word. Ready? Well, hold on. Let me do this first, though. Slide it up. Let's take the word lovely. Shh. You ready? All right. Let's take this word, lovely. I'll start it out in red. LOVE. And now we're going to do L and Y. Consonant or a vowel? Because the consonant is before the Y, we're going to drop the Y and then add what? I, EST. EST is the superlative. ER is comparative, right? Right? We're talking superlative. Gary is the tallest in the room. We compared Gary to everyone. March is a lovely month, but April is the loveliest of them all. We're comparing April to the other 11 months, right? We're comparing April to all of the months. So we give it the EST superlative ending. What if we said April is lovelier than December? Why do we give it the ER ending in that scenario? Yeah, Vin? We're only comparing one thing to another thing. All right, ready? Read the sentence, complete the sentence with the word from the word box, add the correct ending from the superlative adjectives, or to form a superlative. Mom is blank when she is in her garden. Uh-oh. Gary. All right, now, Gary, how do we do this? We have H, A, P, P. I'm going to put a Y here, Gary, because I'm going to point to this P. Is that a consonant or a vowel? It's a consonant. So what do we do with the Y? And add. And then EST. Mom is happiest when she is in her garden. All right, so the homework tonight for 8 superlative, you're going to finish completing that. Do you guys understand the superlative versus the comparative endings? All right, there you have it. Tadero out.